What's up people, it's your boy Jojo and you're welcome to my channel JojoConnect. On this channel I make videos on how to get various things done easy and simple. In today's tutorial I want to show you how to blur background in Adobe Premiere Pro CC. Now if today is your first time joining us on this channel, you want to do me a favor and subscribe to this channel. Click right now on the subscribe button, and you can also click the notification bell so that you will be one of the very first to know when I drop a new video. Like I said, today I want to show you how to blur the background of any video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Easy and simple. So if this sounds to you like something you would like to see, then you want to stay back and watch this video. Okay, welcome back. So first things first, you see I have a video of myself on the timeline. So what I want to do is to blur the background of this video right inside of Adobe Premiere. So the next thing I want to do is to go to my effects tab. I just go to the effects tab, and I'm gonna type in Gaussian blur under the effects section. Gaussian blur. So yeah, this is the Gaussian blur. So what you want to do is to drag and drop the Gaussian blur effect on your video in the timeline. So I'm dropping it right here. So next you want to go straight to your effect control panel and then scroll down and make sure you look for the Gaussian blur, and then click on this free draw pen, and then go ahead and try to trace the image you don't want to blur. Like I don't want to blur myself in this video, so I'm just going to try and trace out myself. So you know, you don't have to be very perfect in your tracing. As you can see, I'm just trying to trace the image in the video. Make sure you join the tracing like this. So you just play the tracking, the mask path tracking, and let's see. Now I'm going to stop it here. Now you can see that the tracking is not very sharp at this point. So once you notice that, you stop the tracking and reposition your drawing. Position track again. Okay. Just try as much as you can to position the drawing. Like I said, it does not have to be really 100% perfect, but just try to make sure. So go ahead and play the track again. So when you're satisfied with the tracking, I think it's okay now. So what you need to do is to check this inverted box This is important because you want to blur the image itself. You only want to blur the background. So once you do that, then you can increase the blur. Let's increase the blur to around, you can see, if I have the blur, let's make it around, so let it be too obvious, so let's put it around 10. Around 10 is okay. So once you do that, if you scrub through the timeline, let's see what we have this way. I think it looks good. What I want to do is play it. Let's see. Okay. Okay, so what I want to do now is to mask feather. I'm going to increase the mask feather a bit, you know, so as to smoothen the sides. It's to smoothen the feathers of the image. I think I'm okay like this. So guys, this is how you can blur the background of in Adobe. I'm sure you've learned something. Please leave a like for this video and then subscribe to this channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Cheers.